India beat Maldives in an international friendly. This is after almost 1.5 years that India won the international match. AIFF sacked Igor Stimac on June 17 last year following his 5 year tenure. After a month, Manolo Marquez became Indian head coach. In last 5 matches, India only won 1 match while drawing 3 matches and lost to Syria, concluding Manolo's campaign last year. But this time, Manolo Marquez is set to overturn the outcomes. So let's see how Manolo is improving Indian team and what tactical principles they used to beat Maldives. Manolo introduced some new faces to squad. He used 4-2-3-1 formation. Well, in this match, India dominated in possession. So we first start with India in possession and how they progressed the ball into final third. Starting from build-up, India used their traditional back four, centre back splitting around goalkeeper and full back in wide areas. 2 holding mid as pivots to help in build-up and other players are ahead to receive the ball for attack. Maldives did not press high, so India easily moved to mid-block, skipping the build-up part. On whichever flank the ball is, that side full-back moves ahead to help in attacking by providing width, and other full-back shift inside to act as a third centre-back for defensive duties. For example, in this clip, when right winger Mahesh has the ball, right back Himin Thavia pushes up to support him by creating a passing option, while left back Subhasis is with centre backs for any turnover. This game was mostly played in mid-block. So now, I am gonna discuss different situations where Indian team was doing good and where they were lacking. First of all, fullback winger combo was working well. In previous matches, there were cases when fullback and winger often shows bad positioning. Either they were both on the wings, leaving space inside, or they were both inside by leaving the flank and providing no width. In these scenarios, midfielders often find it difficult to switch the play and opponent gets the upper hand while pressing them, and this is still the case. Winger often leaves his position to move inside and midfielders have no option on flank for any long pass or to switch the play. For example, in this clip, after winning the ball, right winger Mahesh should make the run wide to receive the pass, which will open the space for midfielders to attack into the box. Again in this clip, after winning the ball in midfield, there is no player on the flank to stretch the opponent defense line. As a result, opponents are too compact, which closes all the space for Indian forwards. If Mahesh was wide on the flank, then he can receive the ball in 1v1 with the opponent defender. In 4-2-3-1 formation, attacking mid Brandon Fernandes moves out wide to help wingers and exploit the space behind the opponent defense line. When winger drops down to receive the ball and opponent fullback press him leaving space behind, then Brandon moves into that space to receive a long pass. For example, in this clip, when left winger Colasso drops to receive the ball, then Maldives right back also press him. Now Brandon identifies the space behind fullback and makes the run into that space, which lead to a great chance. Again here, when Subhasis have the ball, Colasso dropping down and withdrawing opponent fullback from his position, Brandon receives a long pass behind the defense line. Brandon also rotated with wingers by moving to the flank and winger moves inside to maintain the balance. In this clip, Mahesh having the ball in center, so Brandon moves out wide to his position. These little overloads are very crucial to start any attack. These overloads make opponents to shift to that side, and a change of flank can leave opponent exposed on the other side. And this is the another case where India seems to be lacking. Midfielders don't change flank when it is needed for better encouragement. There are 2 reasons for this problem. First, they are not taking any risk by playing simple back passes. They rotate the ball to wing area through the defenders. Instead, they should do this by long switch, which can break the opponent's structure. Second, if they do, then they pass the ball at right time to wrong player. For example, Suresh having the ball have the option of a long switch to Colasso, but he passes to Chhetri, who is surrounded by 2 defenders, resulting in losing the possession. In this case, if he passes to Colasso, then he can approach the box and can beat opponents to take a shot on the goal. Again in this clip, Suresh can change the flank with a long pass to Colasso, but he again chooses Chhetri, surrounded by defenders. It is very simple that Liston can receive this ball easily because there is only one defender to mark him, while it is not the same in case of Chhetri. Addition to this, Indian team is not using the spaces left by opponents. When they are rotating the ball around and there is an opening, India is not taking the advantage of that scenario. In this clip, when Mahesh has the ball, see there is too much space between the opponent center backs. Attacking mid or any center mid should exploit this space to create a goal scoring chance. Again, here Brandon is passing the ball back to open the play. Now see where are the two midfielders. They are staggered in a line. When center back receives the ball, in this time, one player should move to this large space to receive a quick pass from defenders and he can continue the attack forward. But this is not the case and opponent covers the space quickly to stop the progression. These are the moments when you have to use them to punish the opponents. If you observe big teams, one such scenario can lead them to a match winning moment. But Indian players are not that good in off the ball moments. Additionally, India also fails to add numbers in attack. In first half, there was less chance creation due to less players in attack. It was only Chhetri who constantly have threat to opponents. But in second half, Rahim came on for Brandon. Rahim shows good awareness by making run behind the opponent defense line. For example, in this clip, Mahesh have the ball and opponents are pressing him to stop the attack. But Rahim makes the run in half space to receive a chip pass. He approaches the box to take a shot on the goal. Overall, Indian team needs to play with mixture of structure and fixed roles. Although less game time is also a reason for the slow chemistry between the players. So what do you think about it? Comment below, leave a like, subscribe and thanks for the watching.